Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making an AI platformer. So I'll show you how it works. So this AI platformer can jump over obstacles like this, and it can also jump over holes like these, and it can go like this, and that's it. So now let's make it. So I have already set up everything. So in the level sprite, I have two costumes, one with these obstacles like this, and the other one with just a hole. So the AI will be able to jump over these obstacles and this hole. So let's start by making the gravity for this. So let's place this somewhere up here, and when the green flag is clicked, it should go to this position, which is this place. And then let's take a forever block and create a variable. So you have to create a variable. Let's name it gravity, and you have to make it for all sprites. So now let's take an if else block, and if it's touching level, actually not touching the level. So if the AI is not touching the level, if it's not touching the level, we should change gravity by -1, else 0. So now if I click on the green flag, okay, nothing's happening. So we just need to add a change y by gravity. So now it will go down, and also at the beginning add a set gravity to 0. So now you can see that the AI is going a bit inside the ground, and if you drop it from a higher position, goes more into the ground. So let's fix that. So you need to make a new block, call it ground it box, and tick the run without screen refresh and click OK. And here let's take a repeat until not touching level. It should change y by 1, and down here by -1. So now if you start, still goes inside the ground. So wait, we didn't put this here. Now if I in the attack, it should work. So now we have made the gravity. So now let's make the movements. So to make the movements, uh, let's make a new variable that's gonna be x speed. So this variable will say the speed on the x-axis. Click on OK and take this. And I want the AI just to simply go forward. So let's set the x speed by 1, and let's change x by x speed. So you can make this how much ever fast you want. You can make it 4 or 1. I will make 1. Or 1 is too slow. Let's make it 3, I think. Yeah, 3 is faster. So now let's make it jump over these obstacles. So for that, let's go to the costumes and you have to make a new costume, and just need to make a rectangle. So you need to duplicate this and just move to the side here, and you can make it whatever color you want, and just draw a small rectangle here. Should not be taller than the AI. So let's just move it a bit here to the side. This should be enough. So whenever the obstacle touches this red rectangle or line, this AI will jump over these obstacles. So you can delete this black cube, and now we'll clone that. So let's say create clone of myself, but before I create a clone, you have to go to and switch costume 2, which is this line, and then clone it, and then you have to change it back to costume 1. So now it cloned that red line there. Okay, so now uh, when I start as a clone forever, so that this line should always go with the sprite 1, which is the AI. So if I just take a go to block and put it here, sprite 1 is not there. So if you need to get sprite 1, you can just go to a different sprite like this level and take this block here and make it, and now you have the option for sprite 1, and just need to take it and drag it to the line, I mean the AI, and now you have sprite 1. You just need to put it here, and now you can see it has that red line. Delete it from here. Okay, so now if it's touching level, so we need to make it jump now. So let's make a new variable. So that's just gonna be jump for all variables and for all sprites. So this is gonna be a true or false variable. So here let's set jump to true, and now cover this entire thing except the things in the end. Just need to put this here like this, and you need to cover this entire thing or here with the else. So here let's say if jump is equal to true, if jump is equal to true, then we can change gravity by 1, else it will pull it down. So now if we play, just goes up like that, which we don't need. So jump is true by default, so let's set it to false. Jump to false. Okay, that could be because of this red line. You just need to make it a bit more smaller, then it should work. And now it's working. And now I can see that when it touches that, it jumps, but jumps too high. So what we can do for that is wait for 0.5 seconds, which is half of a second, and after that let's set this back to false, and now it won't jump that high. Okay, still jumps too high, so let's make it 0.3. Okay, uh, okay, so now let's add, so now we need, so uh, we need to put this thing here also. Okay, so the cube is going a bit inside the obstacle, so we need to fix that. So all you need to do is take this ground hitbox and just put it there, and then it will not go inside it. And now it just perfectly went on top of these obstacles. So now let's make it pass through the hole. So just want to make a small code here, like uh, so when a green flag is clicked forever, uh, if it's touching the edge, so if the AI is touching the edge, it should go to the next level. So we'll just broadcast a message, new message, next level, and here when I receive next level, should just change next costume. So after it jumps over these obstacles, we'll just, okay, so that's a small problem. So we need to reset its position. So just need to, so you just need to duplicate this and put it here, and now that won't happen. Okay, now it goes to the next level, and also you can see that when we play that red line still there. So what we can do is go here, and you cannot use hide, because if we hide it, it won't work. So we'll have to use ghost effect. So set ghost effect to 100, and let's go back to level 1, and now you cannot see the uh, line, and just jumps over it. And when the green flag is pressed in the level, let's just set it to the first level. So now let's make the AI jump over this hole. So now here let's duplicate this again. So here let's draw a square somewhere here, somewhere right here. So if this red square is not touching the ground like this, it will just jump over here. So now let's delete this black cube. Now let's go back and clone that one also. Let me put this up here. uh, let's duplicate this, put it here again, and here let's change to costume 3. Okay, so that's not how it should work now. So in the AI, the second costume is this line. So this should only happen if the clone is the second sprite. So cover this entire thing with a if except the ghost effect. So here let's add in so let's add if the costume number is equal to 2, then only this will happen. So now everything is normal. So now let's duplicate this and change it to 3, and this should happen. This should only happen if it's not touching level. Okay, it's a little weird, it's just keep on jumping. So let's fix that. So all you need to do is cover this entire thing. So we have to say if it's touching the level, and now it doesn't jump like that, and it doesn't jump there also. So what we can do is so let's add a wait for 1 second here, and now it should work. Actually just remove this here and put this back. Okay, so now it just doesn't jump that much. Now it's jumping and it has reached the other side, and that's it. Okay, that's a small problem there. So let's just quickly fix it. Reduce the jump here to 0.2 maybe. Okay, that hole is too big, so let's just extend it a bit here. Okay, so now it's fine. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.